G'day folks, Simon from Extreme Espresso. Today, got something real extreme, but from the comfort of my own home. We're gonna brew up an espresso with some ground chili flakes and get hopefully what will be a spicy espresso. It's not something I was able to find anybody else doing online, not something I've ever seen or heard about or read about or even tasted. So I just thought, let's give it a shot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind up my coffee beans, I'm gonna add chili flakes to it, and then brew my espresso as I usually would with my Flair Espresso maker. So let's make some, hopefully, spicy espresso. So we're gonna start off by weighing our beans. I usually go with about 15.5 grams of coffee beans if I'm doing a light roast. But today, with my light roast, I'm gonna go for 14.5 grams, so I can do 1 gram of chili. I'm grinding on the Distributor JX Pro. I'm at 2 revolutions, 2 clicks, and 2 micro clicks. All right, now that's all ground up, we're gonna get it into here. We're now gonna zero this, and we're gonna weigh out 1 gram of our chili flakes. Great, now I've got my Crema coffee distribution tool and the Tamper as well. Great, now all that's left to do is brew up our water, heat up our chamber, and make the espresso. Have a bit of a stir. There you have it, 1 spicy espresso. Now for a taste. Yeah, that's hot. That's hot, but it's delicious. It tastes exactly like you want an espresso to taste, but then has this mouth warmth that you get from the chili. It's not overbearingly spicy, but my mouth is definitely hot, and for sure I would even consider putting a bit more chili or getting a hotter chili. This is just something I picked up at the supermarket, and probably isn't the hottest grade of chili, but wow, that's delicious. Try that. That's bizarre, but fantastic. So there you have it. That's the spicy espresso made with our chili flakes. Ooh. Try it out yourselves. If you do, leave a comment down below, let me know how it was. Until then, enjoy your spicy espresso, and I'll see you soon. Just also have a look at the coffee puck afterwards with the chili flakes within. Super beautiful and interesting looking.